The situation of woman no someone I creating and can beat me and your man tem kakra. Now I was a coach, a assessment of players, near who they all call, they all stay, the contract year renew and all that. So the delay in the appointment of substantive coaches near and since I'm so behind and not the behind I can't say time no. It's something that is undeniable. The mentality of Tinkler, not dream, it is very encouraging. The mentality say, me person me winning, me person me league. Was it the only people on bet me are stopping Kotoko from winning the league? Him for. To more best stopping it from winning the league. It be number can the supporters. Yes. Number one factor that can stop him from winning the league is supporters, and this is the reason. Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporters very demanding power, sure. But they don't show support. Kotoko supporters need to meet free ticket. Unyo be man magic ticket in Koyabo. Free ticket. Kotoko boy 20 Ghana cedis near the was a free ticket. Ebia as a coach, we share na adrenaline or they kasa on. We share the level of motivation. We share the level of encouragement. I mean, you can imagine, coach. I know all year Juma na yem pamono. Na o Jina Juma babe because what is a Kotoko? I mean, just say Kotoko dinner to me. I enticing am abeje Juma. When you're very careful, we obey disappointed. Pa or baba yara hono no. Ebeye no one business. Na Kotoko ni ni. Because in the current dispensation I want to supporters ultimate Kotoko stadium not any pair to one ultimate kind 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 if I 100 no more ball. But I won't lose this one your radio so dear. And you know we are going Kotoko no Kotoko any day. Kotoko because basically if you look at a chairman Joshua investment in the quality in terms of technical any coaching. I mean, anyway, in Ghana, Ghanaian standard. Well, Pejamukakra
or director of football.
The level now, all they connect different. And these are persons. I mean, Ubetria. I mean, Yankas Ubetria. I mean, forget them. Ubetria to get them.
Yeah.
So it tells you of the level of person occur to say the Obepeja clown. Unim supporters na disappointed. Almost be disappointed. I realize na me cry na den na. Arena me when him means found more like yen local standard here. Into whilst he wants to give international flavor to Kotoko. Supporters ni be bu abemu to the extent that I realize say, bro, it's not worth it. It's not worth it. So. But who be lines that Kotoko supporters your team no Kotoko lose your team but such a on see stadium order on see order Kotoko supporters here so more year calculation 3 million 4 million 5 million 5 million 3 million supporters wouldn't me raise 10,000 supporters in Kotoko ball. So that's the level of discouragement. At times we concern any year motivation be or league no or bedje or more bet me stopping him from winning the league. So and one factor that can stop him from winning the Kotoko supporters. It's a factor. No?
Yeah, you mentioned it.
It can be very discouraging. So we be able to stadium on empty stadium no more. The question is then now most Kotoko where are they? So that for me. By this time, when be a Kotoko supporters leadership, no mobilization be because we say you also more complement the effort of management and any coaching staff. No, now as I say, we any there into the collective effect in the league in the beba. The management here, technical for so recruitment, cost supporters mobilization cost by what year. Kotoko support mobilization. Say match na duru na obi aba na. Kotoko no. I just how does not support this mobilization. You know, Wednesday your match or babayara. Do we say who chemu or babayara no be a chemuko na I told maybe no meeting na Kotoko bolo to and na Kotoko boy so me say you can pass by stadium Kotoko bobo while we are on West Side Stadium Kotoko bobo you hear say Kotoko bobo. That's the level I descended to. And preseason